Morning, everybody. Troy and Michelle, hello. Oh, now you go down below the counter. From the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project and DIYTube.video. Today I want to talk to you about DIYTube because we have been working very hard. You might notice I'm not sleeping well. I've been working a lot behind the scenes recently, putting a lot of hours into DIYTube. We have made a lot of modifications and improvements and strengthened the website itself, but also the great news is, for everybody out there, we are about to become the highest paying video sharing website in the world. My dream that I had 2 years ago when I started DIYTube was to put the money back in the pockets of the people, the content creators. When my income on YouTube took a nosedive and I went from having a life in New York to being way below the poverty level in Michigan, I decided to create DIYTube, and the original dream was to have a revenue sharing plan so that we could put the money back in the pockets of the content creator. But I realized very soon that the accounting nightmare of paying people in multiple countries around the world and doing micropayments and finding a bank that would even do so many payments around the world in various currencies, plus the cost of the deposits around the world, plus the transfer fees to trade and exchange fees from one currency to another around the world. It was just, forget it. Plus the taxes. Oh wow. So imagine sending people a tax form in all the different countries and all the different languages and all the different legal talk around the world. I can't imagine. So I had the idea of paying people with cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency is a borderless payment system. No transaction fees, no exchange fees, and no accounting nightmare. And there it is. Now, we originally started, we were going to have DIYTube tokens on the Ethereum network. If you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry, but this is all going to be very clear here soon. Originally we were going to have tokens, and we scrapped that idea because we realized we didn't want our system riding on the back of another system, because if something happens to them, you lose everything as well. We would rather be in control of our own future. Therefore, we have been working on our own blockchain and our own cryptocurrency. So very soon, DIYTube Coin, our own DIYTube Coin, and our own payment system will be a reality. In 2 to 3 weeks here, we will be releasing it. So if you're not a member of DIYTube now, it's not too late to get over there. The 1,000 coin reward is still in place until we switch to our own blockchain. So there's still time. If you upload 10 videos, you'll get 1,000 coins reward. And once we integrate with our own blockchain, you'll be able to cash those coins out, trade them for your own money in your own country, and pay your bills. Now, the reason DIYTube is going to be the best paying system in the whole world is because we set our payment processor and payment rates of what YouTube was 3 years ago. And since then, my income has been going down, my views and subscribers has been going up, and the amount of ads on YouTube has been going up. But yet my income keeps going down still. It doesn't make sense. That's why we are going to be the highest paying site in the entire world. We set it back where there used to be. At the standards, it was a 50-50 revenue sharing plan, and that's what we based this on. I did extensive research on how much people earned back then and how much you should get. So if you haven't come over now and start earning your coins now, because in a few weeks it will be real. We will be live on our own blockchain with our own cryptocurrency. And for those of you who don't understand cryptocurrency and have no interest or knowledge in it, that's fine. But for those of you who would like to learn or would love to come over here and earn some money and pay your bills, we're going to help you. We are going to make it as simple as selecting withdraw coins, select how many, select submit, it's done. That's how easy it's going to be to transfer coins in and out. And we're going to teach you everything you need to know about cryptocurrency on our partner site, cryptocurrencyocean.com. which is a business and investing website and informational website on everything about crypto. There we're going to run a series of training videos and articles to teach you everything you need to know. Another thing about when we have our own blockchain, we're going to open up to proof of work miners. Those of you who love mining like me and have a bunch of computers, you can get on here and you can get a whole mess of DIY2 coins, especially in the early days when there's not so much competition. The rewards are going 100% to the miners and the masternode holders. Masternodes are those who run a full copy of the blockchain on a computer. It can be in your house or it can be a rented space on a web server. We will teach you everything you need to know about that. And the returns and the rewards are going to be huge, especially in the beginning. So how it'll be, somebody will purchase some DIY2 coins, hold them in a wallet, run a server. We'll teach you all about that. And then they'll start earning a large chunk of DIY2 coins each month for their efforts. And they're supporting and stabilizing the blockchain, which strengthens everything and also gives us tighter security. So those of you who don't understand much of what I'm saying, don't worry, we'll teach you everything you need to know. Those of you who have some money that you'd love to get out there into a masternode and start earning some massive amounts of rewards and paying your bills with it, we will have a system where we'll host it for you, we'll set it up for you, we'll run it for you, and you just collect the rewards. You'll have to pay the monthly fee for it, but you'll collect the rewards. And believe me, the amount you get back and the tiny amount it costs each month is a huge difference, big difference. We will be showing you all the numbers soon when we're ready to release it in 2 to 3 weeks. But for now, I'd like to pre-announce it to you all and get people over on DIY2. If you are just a viewer, you will earn DIY2 coins and can pay your bills as well for writing comments and if you receive thumbs up on your comments. And we will have spam and cheating filters in effect, so that's all going to be safe and rock solid. So come on over. Everybody gets rewarded on DIY2, and that was my original dream. We're almost there, guys. Check it out, DIYtube.video. Start earning some money today.